Hello viewers, you are welcome to my channel once again. So today we have a very interesting math problem to resolve. We have that if x plus 1 over x is equal to root 3, then we want to find the value for x to the power of 100 plus 1 over x to the power of 100. So let's begin. We have solution. We have x plus 1 over x to be equal to root 3. From here, let's square both sides. When we square both sides, we now have x plus 1 over x all squared to be equal to root 3 all squared. So from here, opening up this bracket, we'll be having x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 2 times x times 1 over x equal to, the square root sign will cancel out with the 2, so we have 3 here. So this will give us x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 2. This x cancels this x, so we have 2 left, equal to 3. So from here we have x squared plus 1 over x squared to be equal to 3 minus 2. So our x squared plus 1 over x squared is equal to 1. So we've gotten equation 1. Now let's recall that our x plus 1 over x is equal to root 3. So we have that x plus 1 over x is equal to root 3, and we have that x squared plus 1 over x squared is equal to 1. So we'll be resolving for s cubed. Let's know the value of s cubed plus 1 over s cubed. So we have x plus 1 over x to the power of 3 to be equal to root 3 or to the power of 3. But let's recall, when we have a plus b to the power of 3, its polynomial expansion will give us a cubed plus b cubed plus 3ab times a plus b. So from here, our a is x and our b is 1 over x. So we have that x plus 1 over x all cubed will be equal to s cubed plus 1 over x cubed plus 3 times x times 1 over x times x plus 1 over x to be equal to 3 root 3. But from the first equation given to us, we have that x plus 1 over x. From the first equation given to us, we have that x plus 1 over x is equal to root 3. So wherever we see x plus 1 over x, we'll replace it with root 3. So we have x cubed plus 1 over x cubed times x times 1 over x. So this cancels this, we are left with 3. And we have x plus 1 over x, which is equal to root 3. So we have root 3 or equal to 3 root 3. So from here we have x cubed plus 1 over x cubed to be equal to 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3. So our x cube plus 1 over x cube is equal to 0. So we can name this equation 2. So from here we've gotten our x cube plus 1 over x cube to be 0. We have our x squared plus 1 over x squared. We have our x squared plus 1 over x squared to be equal to 1. And we have our x plus 1 over x to be equal to root 3. So let's resolve this equation 2. So resolving this equation 2, let's multiply through by s cube. So we have this s cube. We now have s cube times s cube plus we have 1 over 3 1 over x cube times x cube to be equal to 0. So this times this will add up the powers to have x to the power of 6. We have plus, this will cancel out this, so we have plus 1 to be equal to 0. So from here our x to the power of 6 is equal to minus 1. So we have equation 3. So we now have our x to the power of 6 to be equal to minus 1. So the question is, we want to find the value of x to the power of 100 plus 1 over x to the power of 100. So what would the solution be? So our x to the power of 100 plus 1 over x to the power of 100 will be equal to x to the power of 6 further raised to the power of 17 over x squared plus 1 over x to the power of 6 further raised to the power of 17 over x squared. So our x to the power of 100 plus 1 over x to the power of 100 will be equal to, let's recall that our x to the power of 6 is minus 1. So I have minus 1 further raised to the power of 17 over x squared plus 1 over minus 1 to the power of 17 over x squared. So our x to the power of 100 plus 1 over x to the power of 100 will be equal to minus 1 to the power of 17 is minus 1 over x squared. Applying the law of indices here, we have plus x squared over minus 1. So from here our x to the power of 100 plus 1 over x to the power of 100 will be equal to minus 1 over x squared minus x squared. Our x to the power of 100 plus 1 over x to the power of 100 will be equal to minus x squared plus 1 over x squared. So when we resolve this, we have this. Now from here we have x squared plus 1 over x squared. Let's recall that our x squared plus 1 over x squared is equal to 1. So our x to the power of 100 plus 1 over x to the power of 100 will be equal to minus, we have x squared plus 1 over x squared to be equal to 1, so we have minus 1. It simply means that x to the power of 100 plus 1 over x to the power of 100 is equal to minus 1. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.